What is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is well-known presentation software. This is the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation window. Series of slides used to create a presentation. This is the blank presentation. Let us take already designed PowerPoint presentation for better understanding. This is one slide. This is another slide. Like this, these are series of slides used to create a presentation. The presentation contains text, art, animations, and audio video elements. You can see the presentation not only on computers but also on LCD projector. Presentation is a practice of showing and explaining the content of a topic to an audience. PowerPoint is used to enhance your oral presentation and to keep the audience focused on your subject. We know what is PowerPoint. Now let us understand its importance. PowerPoint significance. It is easier to create, present, and share presentation. PowerPoint software lets you create a presentation very easily, and it helps you to give the presentation and share the information in a systematic way. Can easily input images. You can add the images to your presentation very easily. You can import audio, video, graphics, and text to PowerPoint to make interesting and dynamic presentations. You can add audio, video, and other graphics to your presentation. Then your presentation looks very attractive and becomes purposeful. Templates are built in for different appearances. You can create dynamic and professional presentations using PowerPoint's predefined layouts, themes, or templates. PowerPoint presentations are more exciting than simple Word document or handwritten presentation. Master slides make presentations consistent. By adding a digital signature to your presentation, you can prevent anyone else from changing the content of your document without your consent. PowerPoint is a great software tool, is versatile and easy to use. Explore Microsoft PowerPoint. Children, let us understand more about PowerPoint window. This is Microsoft Office button. It allows you to create new presentation, open an existing presentation, save or save as the presentation. You can print the presentation or close the presentation. This is the Quick Access toolbar. Quick Access toolbar enables you to use the commands quickly. You can add the required commands to it. By default, the Quick Access toolbar having save, undo, and redo command. This is the title bar. Title bar gives the file name of the presentation. These are minimize, maximize, and exit buttons of the window. Minimize button is used to minimize the window. Maximize button is used to maximize the minimized window. Exit button is used to close the window. This is the ribbon menu. Having the tabs like home, insert, design, animations, etc. Each tab having groups. Under home tab, here you can see clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing as groups, and each group having set of related commands. This is the font group. This is the paragraph group. Like this, we have different groups under each tab. This is the help button. You can click this to get the help of PowerPoint. This is the status bar. As you seen, the status bar is located along the bottom border of the window, and you can customize the status bar as you want. These are document views and also called presentation views. The view options are normal, slide sorter, and slideshow. Click on the required option to select it. The default option is normal view. This is the slide sorter view. This view can be useful to see all the slides at a glance, and you can sort the slides in the required order. This is the slideshow view, and it is also called presentation view. Audience will see your presentation in this view. Zoom tool. This is the slider of the zoom. 100% is the normal zoom. Drag the slider to right to zoom in, and drag the slider to left to zoom out. This is the slide view tab. It lets you to view the slides in your presentation as thumbnail sized images. The thumbnail make it easy for you to navigate through your presentation and to see the effects of any design changes. You can also easily rearrange, add or delete slides here. This is slide outline tab. It shows your slide text in outline form. You can print only text of the slide using this tab. Horizontal and vertical roller. Rollers are useful when you move the pointer or a drawing tool. Its movement is traced on the rollers to show you precisely where you are on the slide. Do you know how to start the PowerPoint? There are different ways to start the PowerPoint. Click on Start button. This is the Search Programs and Files text box. Here you can type PowerPoint. Here you can find Microsoft Office PowerPoint and click on the same. This is your PowerPoint window. Alternatively, you can start the PowerPoint as follows. Press Windows key and R simultaneously. Run dialog box appeared. Type Power PNT and press Enter key. This is your PowerPoint window.